How's it going? And welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we're out here in the middle of tropical storm Gamma. That's right, Gamma. Anyways, hopefully you guys can hear me. I think you guys can. It's incredibly crazy windy right now. It's raining. We're out here in Progreso. Actually, we're a little bit due east. I think west or east. I think it's west of Progreso. And the date is October 4th, all right? And October 3rd, October 4th right now. And basically what's going on is that, you know, me and Christian, we decided to get away for the weekend. And a couple weeks ago, we went on Airbnb and just said, okay, we got this weekend open. So we found an Airbnb. Here, let me show you. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the Airbnb, which is what, you know, today's episode is gonna be all about. I'm gonna show you guys what you can get out here for a $50 Airbnb, all right? Room 1, room 2. So I just wanted to give you guys one last little tour, okay? You got the bathroom, okay? Because this place is amazing, this guy's amazing. And so, you know, it is what it is. We can't really do anything about this. So. Gizmo! Hello. So again, we got the microwave, we got like a semi-full kitchen, refrigerator, gas, water. Christian, dog. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, that's another bathroom over here. Oh, let me get my shampoo. Forgot about that. I was already gonna leave my shampoo behind. So yeah, you guessed it, guys. Well, you'll see in the next couple seconds, all right? Just want to give you one last little tour. All right, little seating area. We had the hammock over here. And we got Hurricane Gamma, or whatever the fuck, out here. It's gonna be an interesting drive home. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna show you the rest of the video. Now, actually, because of this crazy tropical storm, we lost power. All right, so that's happening. So right now there's absolutely no electrical power here at the house, but that's okay. You know what I mean? Like we're living like we were in Cuba at the moment now. You know, no electricity, no power, no nothing. Thank God it's windy. Thank God it's a cold front. Thank God it's like the temperature has been reduced to like 70 degrees because it does help it, you know, get along better. At the end of the day, like the only thing we really need electricity for and power for was to charge our phones, which I can just charge in the car, worst case scenario. AC, no need for AC, thank you for the weather. And for the refrigerator, we bought some ice, we got a cooler, we're good to go. We're only here for a couple days. So, as you guys can see, you know, the weather is incredibly bad. I'm gonna take you out to the backyard so you guys can see a little bit more, all right? But like, yeah, it's starting, in fact, it's starting to rain. Let me start getting inside, all right? So, as you guys can see, all right, hold on, let me lock this up real quick. So, yeah, I'm gonna tell you what you guys can get out here for $50, all right, a night, give or take, all right? Now, there's all kinds of options, you know, there's all kinds of, you know, let me show you a little bit of the yard. This is a bit of the front yard, all right? As you guys can see, we got a nice little front yard out here. We have Gizmo come out here and hang out and do his thing. So here, let me just talk you through this whole thing. Let me clean this real quick. Got some water on there. All right. So again, like I was telling you guys a couple weeks ago, or I think 3 weeks ago, we went on Airbnb and we found this spot here. And you know, we like on average it came out to $50 a day. All right, as you guys know, $50 a day, that's like a hotel room, all right, give or take, all right? And still, it's not what it's all cracked up to be, but regardless, all right? Here, this would be my neighbor. I'm guessing this is the same owner as that house. This one's Airbnb'd. This one's, no one's living there right now. but it's all good. You know, it's like a lot of these things are like that. So, you know, that's where the entrance is. You know, we got the truck, we parked it there. All right, there's a friend of ours, you know, shout out to our friend out there that let us borrow the truck. I'm trying to keep certain people nameless for obvious reasons, but shout out to you, brother. Fucking love you to death, man. Thank you so much. But anyways, so we got the truck here, and then let me just show you the entrance, all right? Hold on, let's go through here. So, all right, get off the truck, all right, boom. All right, and this is the entrance right here. All right, so let's just go through the entrance, right, the house. So again, you know, with all taxes and everything included, I think it was like 170. Hey, Gizmo, how's it going? So Gizmo loves it. So obviously it's pet friendly. All right, we're enclosed here, so it's not a big deal. You know, even though it's crazy storming weather, we're still good. And so a lot of people are probably. So let me just show you the rooms. Okay, you got one room here. Okay. So we got the outside of the house there. All right, a nice little room. There's no lights, I'm sorry. All right, I'm gonna try and do my best, you know, when it comes to the electricity. You know what, let me see something real quick. I just realized. No, I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but one can only hope. So we got the bathroom here, all right? Definitely no lights. You got a bathroom, water pressure, hot water, regular bathroom, dog not included. Gizmo, get out of there, get out of there. We're making a mess in there. Okay, we got another room, okay, up here. This is where we're sleeping. All right, we're keeping like the windows open so we can get some wind up in here. Look, you can see me. Okay. Again, I know it's crazy dark. I'll see if I can fix it in post. So we got, okay, so it's 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms. All right, so you saw one bathroom over there. All right, let's continue onward to the rest of the house. Okay, nice little patio area, see, with the sand. That's how close we are to the beach. The beach is right over there. All right, there's like a laundry room. So again, by the way, if you guys enjoy this place and like it, I can, hold on. Here you go, we got washer in there and all kinds of other stuff. All right, there's a water heater. All right, and then let's show you the rest of the house here. So this is the nice little dining room, living area. We got all kinds of stuff all over the place. We got the kitchen. We just finished having some food. We went outside we went just a couple blocks. We went over to Progreso and we picked up some fried fish, some food, you know, a couple, you know, just stuff like coffee and beans and just stuff at the OXXO. We got the refrigerator in there with ice, trying to keep everything nice and cool. It's actually working, you know. Again, we got hurricane veteran over here. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. 1 second, that might be the guy.
We are watching more than one disturbance. The yellow X shows the one that is east of the Lesser Antilles. It's disorganized with low chances of development. The red X, Invest 91L, more of an immediate concern potentially for the U.S. There are much higher chances this will become a tropical depression or storm. Now, the latest model runs have pulled this even further over the Yucatan and the Southern Gulf, and ultimately how much the system remains over open water will tell us what its next move could possibly be. Certainly, the rainfall that's expected for southern Mexico and Central America is going to be abundant. Some of the initial computer models have been hinting that it could form into a depression by early next week, but we still have to watch it. So we are well into the Greek alphabet at the G name of Gamma.
All right, guys, actually, that was the owner of the house. He basically told us that this whole area is under like tropical storm, hurricane warning situation, and we're not going to get electricity, number 1, and number 2, he actually wants us to evacuate. So we gotta have to evacuate, I'm telling you, my whole life is a full adventure. Anyways, this guy is amazing. He said he's gonna give me basically a full refund. I told him, no, listen, I'll pay for the night, I'll pay for services, I'll pay whatever, and then just charge me, you get what I'm saying? Just charge me what I've used, and I wanna make sure you got your whole as well, and that's it. But he's basically only gonna charge me like around, I wanna say, actually $50. I'm gonna give him 75, all right? But still, he's gonna charge me $50. regardless, all right, let me show you the rest of the house, because what we got to do now is we actually got to clean up and get the hell out of here. He's going to be here in a few hours. Yeah, I know. By the way, hey, you excited? Gamma? Stupid weather. Anyways, so yeah, let me just show you what's up here. You know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, we got the refrigerator, we got a nice little kitchen, you know, with we got the microwave. You know, we got a little stove. This is basically everything we need. Again, we didn't even need electricity. The guy basically called me and said, hey, you gotta go. You know what I mean? Because it's a weather emergency. So I was like, all right, whatever. And by the way, I'm from Florida. I'm used to all this, okay? So this ain't no big deal. Okay, so this is like a little bit of an area that we kind of had set up. They have set up, I just moved the chairs over here. Me and Christian were sitting there, but you know, one goes over there. In fact, let me start moving it. Let me show you. We got the hammock that she put up. She put up a hammock. We got the outside. I'm gonna show you the outside in a second. There's a TV in case you want TV. There's internet over there. All right, here, let me make sure we don't fucking leave this guy behind. Yeah, that's right. What the hell's wrong with you? Well, we here with a hurricane. Okay. So, yeah, so again, this is the craziness that I'm like, even though it was a hurricane, I was like, ah, fuck it, let's just go out here. All right, and let me show you the backyard, all right? Let me just show you, but I want to show you also what the hell's going on back here. So, look at that. Look at that. I want to make sure he won't get out. He won't behave. I don't know what the behave is. All right, so yeah, this is the backyard. So typically, normally we would be able to just walk all the way to the beach. The beach is right there. It's not that far. It looks very far from the camera. I get that because this camera is very wide angle. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But the point is that, see, look, this is like all backyard here. There's people parasailing. You might be able to see it. We got a little neighbor dog here. Hey, buddy. Hey. Yeah, we already fed this guy, the poor guy. But yeah, look how flooded everything is. Look how flooded the street is. You might not be able to see. Let me take you down there. But you guys, look at this. They created a river. I'm getting all wet and shit out here. But anyways, but you guys can see the beach all the way back there. Look at this river this thing was created because of the rain and the storm and everything. Look at this. It's all crazy flooded as far as you can see. Look at that. So, yeah. It is what it is. But there's all kinds of people hang gliding and parasailing all the way at the end. I don't know if you guys can see it or hear me or not. But anyways, there's the beach. There's the storm. So yeah, guys, you know, we're out here. We're doing things. You know, we're out here in the middle of a hurricane and in the middle of a tropical storm, whatever the fuck this is. And we got to get going, okay? So unfortunately, our vacation was cut short. You know, the universe is saying, get back to work, Jose. What are you doing out here taking some time off? What's wrong with you? Actually, we're still going to take time off. We're just going to go home and do it over there because we got electricity. Because, you know, again, my neighbors are good friends of mine. In fact, my neighbors, I helped them find a home here as well. So we know each other very well. They're over there, you know, saying, hey, we got power, we got everything, you know, come over already, hurry up. It's like, but yeah, it's definitely really bad. I mean, the weather is incredibly bad. I just like to downplay things a little bit because that's who I am. All right? But at the end of the day, you know, we really can't complain. We had an amazing time. I mean, seriously, it really has been an amazing time. I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, I actually had a really good time today and yesterday, and having this little fun adventure. But it is what it is, though. What are we gonna do? Shit happens. Look, I mean, I'll tell you a little fun story about my parents. You know, my parents, when they got married and they went on vacation, when they went on their honeymoon to, when my parents went on their honeymoon after they got married, the honeymoon basically, it never happened because they went to Naples. I'm from Miami. They got married in Miami, and they went all the way to Naples, Fort Myers area, and there was a hurricane coming in there. So even, again, it seems like hurricanes follow me. Speaking of which, go Miami Hurricanes, baby. Go Hurricanes. All right. So I think I'm gonna cut this short. I gotta go. We have a lot of packing to do. Well, it's not much packing. I mean, we really didn't even get to unpack. We've only been here one day. But I see the camera's already getting foggy. I don't know what you guys can see. We really gotta get ready to get the hell out of here. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Sorry about this short episode, right? But I mean, again, I know you guys at least got a little bit of a tour of the house. And also, just to let you know that even if you do come out here to one of these places and you're stuck here, it's too dark in here, and you're stuck here during a hurricane or during really bad weather, because it can happen like that. I mean, because basically, we didn't think there was going to be a storm happening, and that's what we came out here yesterday, but then we realized at the last minute, oh crap. You know what I mean? Like, you know, basically when the light was going out yesterday many times, and then it went out in the middle of the night, and like I said, we talked to the what is it, the power people, the light people. Look at the rain. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. And they said, yeah, there's not going to be any power for at least a few days to a week. So again, there's not going to be power at the house. The owner's already on his way to pick up the keys and give us a refund. And that's it. You know, we really got to get the hell out of here. So with that being said, I'm going to clean all this shit up. Again, you know, whatever. I'm probably gonna edit this and you might be seeing this in a couple days. So guys, thanks again for watching. Oh my God, it's so dark in here. I can't even see it's how dark it is. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to please like, please subscribe, please share, please hit that bell icon. But more importantly than anything else, stay awesome no matter what. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu little mini tour video of a $50 Airbnb, $50 a night Airbnb. All right, bye.